Alright, so I'm really slacking on my lemon ginger shots. They finally delivered my ginger, but I just haven't had time to juice. I'm gonna start, I'm not gonna say no. My son woke up in a really bad mood today, so it's throwing me off, but I make my baby her waffle. Yeah, so my son woke up in a horrible mood. I'm pretty sure the neighbors can hear him, but outside. What do you do? Bless you. Bless you. You're welcome. So someone asked me why I don't take Herbalife supplements. I actually took Herbalife supplements for many, many years. I've been using Herbalife for almost 10 years now. But I was born with a chronic liver disease and my numbers were looking really, really bad. And I ended up getting extremely sick, and after years of testing and years of different treatments, I found out that I can't take the Herbalife supplements. And I know a lot of people are gonna come for me and tell me it wasn't the supplements, but it was. I was in denial in the beginning too and kept saying it wasn't. But like I said, I literally went through testing for years and different treatments for years. And in the last year, my levels are finally where they need to be for me to stay alive. And I'm not digressing anymore. I'm not getting worse anymore. So I had to find a supplement that my liver was able to handle and break down. And for me, it was Goli. So ever since I've been using Goli, everything has been perfect on all my reports. So I am 100% a believer in the Herbalife products. I love Herbalife. I love their products and what you can do with them. But I just can't take the supplements as much as I want to. I can't, and it is what it is. So a lot of people tell me that's not true. You just don't want to take it, but I can't. I would rather live a long, happy, healthy life than take some supplements that my liver can't break down. It's just to please people who watch me on social media. That doesn't make any sense. So, I get asked that often. I just don't want to talk about it all the time. I think I've talked about it on maybe 2 vlogs, and now I'm on what, day 81. They're so cute. I just can't take the supplements. Moving on. I'm gonna go make my shake now.
This is my lemon
Good job,
ginger
man.
sauce.
Good job.
This is my lemon.
God, my son is being so bad today. My shake. Look how beautiful. I'm here at the Dollar Tree buying everything that I said I wasn't gonna buy. So yeah, this one is a whole problem. Hey guys, it is now 4 o'clock. The only thing I've had today is a shake, and I feel like I'm gonna faint. So I just spent the last 2 hours out buying stuff for my daughter's birthday party that we decided to throw this weekend last minute. So it's totally stressing me out because if y'all know, I always like to do everything my kid is like imagining to make them feel special and loved and all that, because they're only little for so long. Like my oldest don't have like these
party dreams and all this stuff anymore. Like AJ, all he talked about was Chuck E. Cheese, and now Brooklyn, all she's talking about is a pool luau. So I'm just trying to make my baby's dreams come true, because I can't make my daughter's dreams come true anymore. My oldest ones, all they want to do is go shopping. They don't want parties and fun stuff anymore. They're only little for so long. Like, I really miss my girls being little and like imagining like their parties with bounce houses, and then when they wake up and there's an actual bounce house, they were like mind blown and couldn't believe it was there for them. So now I'm doing the same thing for my two babies now. It's just overwhelming. I mean, it's worth it in the end, but Lord, I'm stressed out. And I'm hungry, so I need to go home and eat. I have a backseat full of stuff. And who spends $130 at the Dollar Tree? Like, it's not even the food and stuff. I gotta go to another store for that. I'm gonna do that later, because this right here was enough for right now. I need a lunch break, and then I'll go back to do more. I guess I can show you guys more, but this was all like the little cutesy stuff. Anything serious, and it was that expensive. What's wrong with me? I need an intervention. I probably should have waited till my husband was off of work, because he's really good at telling me like, oh, do we really need that? And I'll like think for a second if I really do need it or not. When I go by myself, it's just like, oh, in the cart, oh, in the cart. And then I wonder why when my kids come to the store with me, they do the same shit. I'm gonna go home and make a tea because I'm tired. This is nuts. This is nuts.
I'm going to make a sandwich real quick before I leave again. So I'm using these. They're honey wheat sandwich thins. And I'm actually going to put it in my waffle maker. I'm going to smash it so it's hot. I'm going to use turkey, mayonnaise, and lettuce. So this is the sandwich. I am going to smush it into the waffle maker, and it's going to get hot. Done shopping, so we had to get some fuel while we shop. Our regular scheduled program with these children, and I got my shaken espresso.
Get it extra small, and you're small, and it's gonna be tight on your back.
Teamwork make the dream work.
I thought she was popping another
Stressed
hand.
out. I'm done with this. They're just so happy, and I'm just so stressed out. I don't know what to get.
It's a Care Bear. This one's me.
I haven't really eaten today, and this vlog is going to suck, but it's because I'm getting ready for her party. So I had to organize everything. So this is everything for the... Put your foot down, boy. That's everything for the table. That's all the decorations. That's for the goodie bags. That's for the pool. This is more food and stuff for the table. That's AJ's Spider-Man. And I got to decorate a cake. And I got to cook some pasta. I had to cover some pretzels. Yeah. And this is my to-do list for tomorrow. So it's going to be a great day. To make my husband and I some protein waffles. I added chunks of banana in it and some sugar-free caramel. So it's dinner instead of a shake. I like these so much that I don't even need syrup on it.
AJ, why did you?
Alright, vlog. It's 10:58. And I just finished packing my ticket orders for the morning to go to the post office. And if you can see my house right now, this party. I'm over it today. I'm calling it a night. And I have a whole to-do list for tomorrow. So, Cadence can't sleep till 4 o'clock again today.
I didn't mean to.
It's okay. I think she has like jet lag, like big time. She came back from California. So, she's gonna get up earlier tomorrow to help me with the kitties so I can get stuff done. Super green. She's playing with the kids' foam balls. Take 2 calms because I feel like my brain is running really fast right now, and I just have to take these so I can actually fall asleep. And this is everything I have to do tomorrow. Birthday parties stress me out. I'd much rather pay like the $300 at Chuck E. Cheese like we did for AJ. She really wanted this Hawaii pool party. And she's turning 5 and about to start school, so I couldn't talk about it. Which I might change back to my white one.
Why?
Because it's cuter.
No, it's not.
This one's cute, but my white one is way cuter.
It's not.
You don't think so?
No, that one's way cuter. I think I just like purple more than
But it is your favorite color.
white, but I like that. Black is my favorite color.
I know. I'm talking about like color.
Black is a color.
Outside of black.
Disrespected by
I have
favorite
so many
color.
points right now too, and I want to get a new one, but I don't like any of the ones that are out right now.
We should go to the Starbucks like down the street from our house. See if they
They're
have
always
cups.
sold out of stuff though.
They
Like
are.
even the espressos.
Really?
Yes, I was putting an order in on my app for something to pick up, and they were out of blonde roast espresso. They were out of oat milk. They were out of almond milk.
Like go to the store. Publix is
Right.
across the street. And there's
Did you guys know that Snapchat camera make you look uglier than you really are, so that you use their filters? This water is good. It's so cold and pure.
looks like Dippin' Dots.
So the vlog for the next 3 days is gonna be very much about Brooklyn and her birthday party. So I'm just gonna warn you guys now. I am gonna be eating, so I will vlog when I'm eating. But a lot of it's gonna have to be about her birthday. And I like to vlog like their birthdays and stuff to put on YouTube so they can look back on it. So like when I'm old and dead, they can look at their birthdays.
Dang, why you gotta say it like that?
You're gonna love watching my YouTubes after I die. You're gonna be like, Mommy.
I'm old dead.
If I was a vampire, I wouldn't be dead. I'd be very much alive watching
in
it.
Twilight, they just snap their neck and they're dead. That's what I was watching. I was up till 8 o'clock watching
This
this.
child. That's why she slept till 4 o'clock this afternoon. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go. Good night, vlog. See you on the next video, which is tomorrow, making a bunch of birthday stuff. Peace out. Bye.
Irish